heavy-duty, high-performance and robust magnetic core drilling machine. MAB 855 magnetic core drilling machine from the Profi Start category. Weighing just 25 kilograms. The best choice for high production, especially for drilling at drastic climatic situations. Up to 75mm diameter core drilling capacity. Up to 110mm cutting depth. The MAB 855 is not only made for annular cutters, but is also specially designed for twist drilling with the conventional drill bits. With Morse Taper 3, use twist drills up to 31.75mm diameter directly on the machine, without any adapter. Simply better drilling. Equipped with 1700 watt powerful motor. Robust dovetail slide system. Powerful 4-speed gearbox. Sleek integrated cooling tank. Permanent internal lubrication. Morse Taper MT3 machine. Safe arrangement of switches. Intelligent magnetic indicator. Metallic protective cap for the motor. Equipped with advanced friction clutch to prevent tool breakage. The MAB 855 robust magnetic core drilling machine.